What's going on, you guys? It's yours truly, B Songbook. So I just want to give you an overview of my trading week for this week. Like I said, I want to show you my live results on my MetaTrader. All right, so go ahead and try to make sure this camera is focused so you can see it clearly. All right, so go straight to the week. All right, so if you can see, I'm gonna try to focus my camera a little bit. All right, you can see these are the trades that I took this week. All right, so pretty much a $400 week. All right, yo, what's going on, you guys? It's yours truly, B Songbook. So I just showed you my results for this week, and I want to give you some beginner tips on what you can do if you're someone who's still trying to figure this thing out. All right, so my first tip, like I say, if you are a beginner, like I say, I urge you to focus on one pair. Notice that I only trade US30. All right, that's my only pair that I trade. All right, because when you focus on one pair, you start to be accustomed on how it moves. All right, you start to be accustomed to what time that it moves the best. Notice US30, it moves all day. You can trade in London session, New York session, Tokyo and Sydney session. Like I say, Tokyo and Sydney session, it moves slower, but you can still make some money if you know what you're doing. All right, the second thing, all right, you want to get in the habit of learning how to trade it naked. All right, so when I say learning how to trade your pair naked, the only thing that you should be doing is marking your zones. All right, knowing, you know, your strong zones, your weak zones, supply and demand, all of that plays a big factor in your pair as far as studying your pair. All right, the next thing, like I say, I tell all traders, you need to make sure you're documenting your trades, regardless if you lose or win. You need to make sure you have some kind of journal or diary where you're able to go back and you're able to track, you know, why did you win? Why did you lose? What kind of emotions you had? You need to be able to do all of that. Now, keep in mind, if you're someone on this journey, you know, and you really want long-term results, remember, I always stress that you always need to try to seek a professor or a mentor who has a proven trading system and someone who has the results. Now, if you're someone, like I say, who's not really financially stable, then nothing's wrong with going a free route. You know, Baby Pips is good. There's a couple of YouTubers that I would recommend, but I don't recommend trying to learn quicksand strategies. I don't recommend trying to learn any strategies on YouTube, period. All right, that is not the way to go. All right, so that's pretty much my advice for the new beginning traders, you know, as far as, you know, having a successful trading week. Feel free to inbox me on Instagram. Like I say, I do pretty good at responding to people pretty fast. Like I said, if you have any questions, if you want to get connected with my professor, I'll definitely shoot you all of the information you need. Other than that, you know, best of luck to everyone on their trading journey. My name is Byron Songbook, and you have a good one.